what it is, YouTube fam. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, and right now what you see here is my new grill. It's called the RTR Grille. For some of you Mustang guys, you probably already know that this isn't the authentic RTR Grille, but let's just say I got this for a very good price, and it works, you know, just as good as the RTR Grille. And I've seen people with the authentic RTR Grille, and their grill just, you know, goes bad. So why pay $550 for something that's going to break when you can pay $100 for something that's, you know, still can last, but it still probably breaks? So what's the difference? So, but yeah, we're gonna throw this on today, and hopefully everything goes as planned. Now I had to make a little modification, because as you can see right here, you see how this is blocked off. I cut a hole in this one because I need the air intake to suck in air right there. So that's the only thing. I don't know why they would make it like that. So I did that previously before this video. So I'm sorry I didn't get that on camera, but all you gotta do, just cut a hole inside of there, get some sandpaper. Sooner or later I'm gonna get some sandpaper and then sand down the edges, make it look a little bit better, but I ain't that worried about it right now. But so first thing we're gonna do, of course, we're gonna have to take off this bumper. Well, that's the main thing. See, you got all these pins right here, and pretty sure some more things. But first thing, let's take off this bumper, and we're gonna get on right to it. Now that you have the radiator cover off, what you want to do is there's going to be 6 8mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take those off, and then we're going to continue on to the next step. So now that you have those 6 8mm bolts out, there's going to be 2. There's going to be 1 on this side. There's going to be a 7/32 bolts. Remove those 2, and then after that you want to go into the fender liner on both sides, and it's going to be those same push pins from before, from the beginning. Pull those out, pull the fender out, and then from there on we're going to continue on to the next step. So in the fender well, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's kind of dark, but when you go inside your fender, right here on the fender liner, you got 1, 2, and then 3. It's just 1 right here. Then after you get those out, just pull the fender liner back, and then from there you'll be able to access this other bolt in there. I believe that is a 7mm bolt. You want to pull that out before, you know, ripping the bumper off or messing up the clamps. And then also you want to remove the bulbs from inside of your headlight housings and your fog lights, so you don't rip those apart. So I have the fender liner pulled back, got the light bulbs and everything, harnesses pulled out. Then after you do that, there's going to be a 7mm bolt. It's going to be right, where is it at? It's going to be right here. That's going to be holding the fender, holding the bumper to the fender. I can't really show you guys, you ain't be able to really see it, but you're just going to feel your wave right there and you'll see it. Okay, so I'm not even going to lie to you guys. These bolts that is holding in the bumper to the fender is a bitch to get out. I recommend using like a power tool or something, because if you use like a ratchet, you're not going to be able to turn it. So that's what I recommend. So after you do that, if you haven't already, you want to make sure you get the 12 bolts that's underneath it here. They're going to be a 7/32. That's really size socket you want to use. So, and there's going to be 12 of these. Yeah, after you do that, the bumper should eventually come off. So I just finished getting these bolts out.
Japanese cars are so much easier to work on.
I mean, not really. It's not hard. You just need power tools. It's much easier. It would have been.
You don't need power tools.
We need power tools.
You don't need power tools.
Power tools are easier. Zzz, 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 done.
You don't need power tools for my shit. We'd have been had this bitch on.
Alright.
Facts. Big facts.
Cheap.
Fast.
Dead.
Say what?
Dead.
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 Hey.
Stock motor.
When I gap you.
Stock motor.
Okay.
Stock trans.
I'm stock trans.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Alright, so as you can see
best
here,
cameraman.
Lift up on here.
up on it. I'm gonna come over on this side.
Nice little tub.
Little nip and tuck, you know.
The show.
At this point, just pull it. I do it.
Yeah, I'll let you do it because I'm not breaking your shit. There we go. Alright, go on the other side.
Now, should be able to lift up a little bit.
And
And it come right off. Look at that.
whoa, look at that. Finally.
Ah. Damn.
Oh, that looks crazy.
Supercharger is up. Sorry, nah.
Supercharger thumbnail.
Nah, you ain't about to.
We're putting in the intercooler. Wow, look at that. It's a lot of fluid in there. You need to drain that, buddy.
Huh?
Weight reduction.
Yeah, when I went to get my oil changed, I meant to tell him, like, don't put in the Windex or whatever.
Windex, windshield washer fluid?
Same difference, man.
It's here daily. You need windshield washer fluid. I don't.
Really, I got Rain-X on the windshield, so all that just, yeah. Gotta be cut. Okay, so now that we got the bumper off, now get to the grill, and it should be, you just get these clips out of here. Just go ahead, like, use a flathead and pry these out of here. And that'll be it, and just replace it with the new grill. And then we're gonna wire everything else up, and I'll show you guys that. Alright, so to get this grill out, you're gonna have to take off this middle piece right here. There's gonna be a bunch of clips all around it. Just push those clips out the way. Then when you get to the upper grill, there's gonna be some more clips on that grill, and basically, don't got an exhaust on that? Hey, yo. But anyways, oh shit.
Oh, I'm sorry, yo.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was gonna do that.
Nah, you good, but as I was saying, to get this grill out, these clips are gonna be pretty hard to get out. So what you want to do is, you're gonna have to alternate, going back and forth, loosen each one, because you can't just, you know, lift one out and then move on to the next one. You gotta kind of get them all loose at the same time. Just keep alternating, and then eventually, once you get all of them kind of loose and kind of back behind the black part, that's when you can pull the grill out. Alright, so now that we got the stock grill out, now we're going to put in the RTR grill. And we're just going to go in and clip these in, and then with these wires right here, we're going to, oh shit, stop playing. Okay, I don't like what I'm saying right here. Hold on, be right back. Okay, so now that we got the grill in, what you got to do is, since I ain't got the authentic RTR grill, I'm gonna have to tap into some wires. Okay, so what I did was, with the wiring, the red wire is gonna go to the green wire, and the black one is gonna go to the black one for your ground. And that's basically all you're gonna do to wire it up. Don't mind all this junk, but I'm about to just tie all this up with some black tape.
Can you hit it on for us?
And we're gonna be good to go. So here, that's what it looks like. Everything working good. So now what's left to do? So now what's left to do? Just gotta put everything back together. So whatever stuff you took off, that's what you gotta put back on. So that's all there is to it. That's it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and that's it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, so here is what the RTR grill looks like with the lights on. I think it just went off. Go ahead and unlock the door for you. Yeah, so looks pretty good to me. Only thing I gotta do next is change this hood to that factory defect before I want to replace that. But anyway, it's all good. So tell me guys what you think. Drop a comment down below.